our team?
Don't wanna show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. Don't wanna show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day.
What's the name? Bongeunsa right now.
We're just
Bongeunsa
in
temple.
front of us right
Yeah,
now.
that's the first location.
And we're already here.
Yeah.
I guess we're the first Minervans.
We could be the first crew. Let's see.
We arrived at Bongeunsa Temple, a famous Buddhist temple with thousands of years of history. A great place to relax for busy city people and also gives a chance to reflect upon themselves. This place also had a temple stay program, which is a great way to experience Korean Buddhist culture and practices. Went inside the temple, and how do you feel, Keta?
It was very felt like sacred, magical, and super beautiful, and I felt like very relaxed afterwards.
Yeah. The next location assigned to us was the Starfield Library, one of the most captivating libraries I've ever seen. It was located in the north of Bongeunsa Temple. The library is just in the center of COEX Mall. It is a wide open public space where anyone can freely come to sit down, take a break, and immerse themselves in books. Also, we were given a task to take any book and translate one line from Korean to English.
We're at the Starfield Library.
And we are translating books and seeing. So what did Tanya get?
It's ruining us.
That's the first thing we got on translating. So yeah, it's ruining us. Further, we went to the Gangnam Station underground shopping center, where you can find all the trendy fashion and accessory shop to keep up with the so-called Gangnam style. Then we came out and just explored the most famous and chic Gangnam District of Seoul, where our task was to perform the popular Gangnam style dance, and here it is, featuring non-dancers.
Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style.
We found a place, something vegetarian, and finding vegetarian is a real struggle. Yeah. And right now we're in a Japanese restaurant. What's the name? We don't know the name. Yeah, but we found something vegetarian.
Ordered food and it looks... Yeah.
Yeah, so we got this thing over here, and Keta is gonna tell us what we have to do.
It's sesame, and then how do you describe it? Like
You stir it.
stir it and then like mush it, and then you put the sauce.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're having Japanese immersion in Korea. Exactly.
Korea is filled with plenty of street photo booths in each neighborhood, and you can hop anytime and strike a pose with your friends. So we decided to go in one as well. For the next location, we took a bus and went to the other side of the Han River, where we saw the I Soul You sign. And to have the real local experience, we went to the famous convenience store on the Han River, where we bought some instant ramen and self-cooked it using the machine at the store.